So here's what I keep in my tool pouch as a first-year electrician's apprentice. First item we got is my linemans, which are actually the USA Anniversary Edition. Pretty sweet stuff. Next up, my M12 Milwaukee Impact. Third, work gloves. These I actually usually wear all the time. Sometimes I don't because I just forget them, but yeah, MaxiFlex work gloves, really nice. Next, we have my Klein wire strippers. I remove the spring. Some people don't. I prefer it without it. Next up is my Klein level. I love this level because it's magnetic, it sticks to things, it got all the different angles for when you're bending pipe, and it just fucking looks cool. I also got my wire cutters here, or also your dikes, which is the trade name. Next up, I got 11-in-1 right here by Klein. It's got everything you need, all the tips, Robinson, Starbit, flathead, and your Phillips head. Since it's 11-in-1, it also has a nut driver on it, and focus that nut driver. 2 different sizes. Next up, I have my glow stick, my flathead screwdriver for chiseling shit, Milwaukee 16-foot tape, box cutter, knife, whatever you want to call it, Milwaukee marker, and electrical tape on the side here. I also have these really beat up work goggles. Holy shit, I don't wear them anymore. Got a plug tester too with the GFCI tester. Let me know if I'm missing anything or if I should replace something with something else. Thanks for watching. Knipex versus Klein linemans, which one is better? The Knipex is made of vanadium steel and the Klein's is made of induction hardened steel. Now, vanadium steel technically is a better and more durable and corrosion resistant metal than the induction hardened steel is. As you can clearly see, my Klein's are already rusting after 2 months. Granted, we did have some humid and muggy days. Now, in terms of how well they cut, the Knipex technically should cut better based on the metal and the fact that they're brand new. So that was pretty smooth. That was smooth too. I will say the Knipex definitely did feel smoother, but let's consider the fact that they are brand new. And in a month, I'll be coming back actually to see how these hold up compared to these, so wait for that video to come out. Another thing to note when cutting wire with these have a wider handle than the Knipex, which makes it have a little more leverage when you're cutting it, but overall, I didn't really notice much of a difference in terms of how well they actually do for twisting your wire. Let's find that out. So, twisting the wire feels honestly just as good as my Klein's do. Now, twisting with my Klein's, really don't notice much of a difference. These feel just about the same. Now, in terms of the build quality, you can see that the Knipex is actually a little bit shorter than the Klein's here in terms of the head length. They also have this little groove section, which is for pulling out nails, which I don't really know if I'm ever going to use. And the Klein's does have this little American flag, which is pretty sweet compared to the Knipex. The Knipex on the other side does have this circular hole, which I guess could be argued to be better for fitting the wire in for maybe some like MC cable, versus this is more rectangular. Now, how do they feel in your hands? The Knipex honestly does not feel quite as good as my Klein's. These feel a little more grippy, just have a nicer feel in the hands. Maybe it's just because of the fact that I've been using these for a couple months now and I haven't used these yet. So, who wins here? I'd like to say Knipex just because the metal quality is probably going to be better in the long run, but then again, I do like how my Klein's feel. So I guess I'll have to come back in a month and come back and re-review this to see who really is the winner, because I'll be using these for the next month. Let me know, guys, if I missed anything in this review at all, or what tools you guys would like me to compare next if I have the money to even buy them. So thanks for watching.